Today we are doing a full reset in my room because it is super messy. My room is pretty small. It gets dirty very quickly. I have bags of clothes. I have boxes of trash, cups in here. I really need to clean this room. I have a lot of laundry to do as well. Let's get started because I am starting this video pretty late and I just want to have a clean room for when I go to sleep tonight. We're starting off with making my bed. I usually always wash my bed sheets, but I already did that prior to making this video. If you're wondering where my bed sheets are from, they're from Amazon. I'm gonna have my Amazon storefront linked in the description if you guys want to get these bed sheets. And I actually don't mind making my bed. I feel like washing them is the part that I hate, but I felt like cleaning my room was a bit easier this time because I got that out of the way. I've been doing this thing where I clean my room first before I clean my whole entire house because I feel like it's less overwhelming for me. Still in search of a cute blanket to put. I'm thinking a pink one. I saw someone, I think in the comments on a video, say that a pink blanket would look cute because of my pink little teddy bear. So that is definitely going to be the color that I do next. Okay, this angle looks kind of weird, but while I am cleaning, I want to do a load of laundry because I have so much clothes from thrifting and new clothes that I got. I'm going to give you guys a haul before I wash some of it, but I need to separate my clothes first. I need to definitely do a closet clean out again very soon. Okay, so I thought I had a lot of laundry to do, but I think it just looked like a lot because my laundry basket is really small, so my clothes always start piling up and falling over. And it wasn't too bad, at least not for me. I feel like I've had worse. If you guys have seen some older deep cleaning videos, I have like piles and piles and piles of clothes. So laundry is definitely my least favorite chore. I don't know what I'm going to do when I have a husband and kids that rely on me doing laundry. I am very worried about that, but that's why right now I need to get better at it and hold myself accountable and be on top of my laundry. I also don't like folding, but it's not that bad if I watch a TV show. I just want to give a really quick thank you to White Fox for sponsoring this video. This is my first partnership on this YouTube channel. I am so happy. This is honestly a dream collaboration for me. If you guys want to get 15% off your next order, use this code Marcella. YT. White Fox has express worldwide shipping and next day delivery. I'm going to put the name, the size, and all the links to the items that I have right here in the description below if you guys want to match with me. This zip up that I have on right now is actually from White Fox. It's so cute. I love the red font right here and the camo hood. We're gonna start off with this top. We're starting with this white lace top and it does have the zipper right here in the back. I love the detailing. I feel like it's perfect for the summer and it's very flattering. It cinches my waist a lot, which I love. This one I did get in an extra small and it fits me perfect. I'm around a 32B. I love everything, but hands down, this top I'm definitely going to be wearing all summer long. Such a good basic, and I am not blessed up here, and this makes me look like I got a poop job and I don't need to wear a bra, which is the best part. This one I also got as an extra small. Very cinching, super flattering. I've never ordered a pair of jeans from White Fox, so I'm excited to try out their jeans. I love the wash. I got these in a size small. I do wish I downsized to an extra small. I can always just hem the bottom or just cuff it. They are a baggy jean, but they don't give you that much of a flat butt. I love baggy jeans, but sometimes I just can't get behind my back and my butt matching. Like I just can't. I did get a few matching sets because of course it's summer, we're going to be traveling and stuff, so we need to have a cute airport outfit. This is one of the first matching sets. Love the detail in the back as well. It's also very thick. I love a good zip up. This one is in a small/medium and it's so comfy. These are the bottoms that go with it. Of course it does have an adjustable waist, has the logo right on the side as well, and these are wide leg sweatpants, which I prefer. Another sweat set, this one is pink and brown, my favorite color combo. I love the font on this one. It reminds me of the font that I use on my YouTube. This one is just a crew neck. This one is also a small to medium. And then again, the bottoms, I love that they have the logo right on the front. This bag is also just a really good carry-on bag. It's so big, and I love how it has pockets right here on the side, so you can put your water bottle or whatever you want right here on the side. And it's so spacious, and I love that I can just throw this in the wash. Good for traveling, or whenever I do my whatnot shows, I always put my orders in here. I've also used it for groceries, and I'm thinking about making it my gym bag. Tell me this isn't the cutest bathing suit. It almost reminds me of Minnie Mouse. I love the lace right at the front. This one is an extra small, but the bottoms are a small, and it has the ruching right there in the back, so you know it's gonna make your butt look good. I feel like every girl has a cute little black dress, but surprisingly I never had one, and I saw this one on their website and I thought it was so cute. I love that it has an open back. The lace kind of shows your skin a bit too, so I feel like it makes it look kind of sexy. And I love that it's a halter with an open back. Not gonna lie, sometimes I'm insecure about getting dresses like this because I feel like it's not flattering up here for me, but this one is just very feminine and girly. I was a Capri hater, but now I'm obsessed with them, so I had to get a pair from White Fox. These are an extra small. This and the pink top would be a very cute going to get coffee or matcha outfit. I got these pair of shorts. I thought it would look really cute with the zip up that I have on right now. Again, it has the little White Fox logo right here on the side. It has pockets on the side, and again, an adjustable waistband. These are a size small. These next bottoms are perfect for the summer. They're just super breathable and light and so comfy. This one is a size small. They kind of have a baggy fit to them, which is what I was going for. These next dresses are going to be hard to show on camera, so I'm just going to put on the try on clip. Look at this super pretty flower detailing. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it kind of has an opening on the side too. Super summery. Also has kind of an open slit on the side. Don't have that many summer dresses, surprisingly, so I'm excited to add this to my closet. Last but not least, I have this super pretty brown dress. I want to go take beach pictures so bad. I love the teal detailing. For some reason, I've really been into teal lately. It just reminds me of 2016. Love the color combo of the brown and the teal. And it also has an open back. This one I got in a size extra small. The other dress was also an extra small, by the way. Thank you, White Fox, again for sponsoring this video. So this is a quick overview of what my room looks like right now. Usually my dog looks fluffy, but right now he is bald. We're gonna start with cleaning my vanity first because I just have a bunch of random junk. I need to deep clean it. I haven't cleaned it in a long time, so we're gonna do this first. Again, if you guys have ever watched any of my older videos, I had a small vanity that was in the corner of my room, but I got a bigger one, and it does take up space, but I personally love it because I love having an area where I can just get ready. I do wish I got a vintage vanity instead of this one because I feel like all my room is just white. There's no cozy feel to it. This one I just got from Amazon, and it's good, but I feel like there's certain parts where I could tell it could be a bit more sturdy. I just feel like they don't make vanities the same as they used to anymore, but if you are in search of getting a new one, I would definitely recommend looking on Facebook Marketplace or something, getting it secondhand. I've seen so many beautiful vanities in really good condition. Maybe in the future, I'll definitely upgrade. I love this glass cleaner. Got it from TJ Maxx for only like $4. I also use it for my MacBook and stuff. It's kind of random, but I love it. I've been throwing my trash away in this box. Not really cute, so I need to throw all of this away. Since it's getting filled, might as well put more trash in there. Done anything too different on this area of my room. I definitely want to add curtains in the back and change this picture frame. I've seen really cute ones at Ross. I got this one from Ross, but I've seen Miu Miu ones that have really cute designs. I really like the layout of it right now already, so that's why I get scared changing stuff in my room, but I feel like new things would make me feel like I'm in a new space, which is really nice sometimes. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should I just add little things or just switch everything around? while I deep cleaned my room. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!